I'm Sheba Turk. Thanks for waking up with us here on KCAL News and streaming on CBS News Los Angeles. Here are the stories we're tracking for you this morning. A freeway shut down right during the morning commute, and it's because of a dangerous fire that may take days to put out. We're live with the race to clean up that mess.
Well, it's kind of scary. I just stay prayed up.
Hurricane Helene slams Florida as a Category 4. The Gulf Coast left battered by life-threatening winds and severe storm surge. We're in Tampa, Florida, tracking the storm.
And the Champagne Showers are drying this morning at Kcbs Ravine. The Dodgers clinch another division title and solidify their spot in October. How fun.
Yeah, very fun. Let's take a look at your next weather forecast. Amber Lee joining us now. Good morning. Also fun that the weekend is here.
Yes, finally, right? I feel like, I don't know about you guys, but it felt kind of long because we've had some really up and down type of weather here in Southern California. So here's a look outside. Look at this beautiful shot right now. The sun is coming up. This is our next weather sky cam looking at Mount Wilson. We don't have clouds here, but we do have clouds closer to the coast, and that marine layer is a little bit shallow. I'm going to take you over to Ontario, where temperatures yesterday were in the mid-80s. Today, we're looking at a little bump in those temperatures, topping out closer, or actually a little bit warmer than normal at 89. Normally, we should be about 88 degrees. I will have more details because we are in store for a nice warm-up again here in Southern California. All right. Kalina.
Hi, good morning. So I'm watching the signaler right now on the 210. It's been here for a very long time. Both directions of the 210 are impacted right at Vernon. So east and westbound sides, it's all because of an overturned big rig and a spill here. Eastbound side, we have the carpool and 3 left lanes blocked off. On the westbound side, we have the carpool and 2 left lanes off limits there. Westbound delays will take you 52 minutes. You can take the 10, but a reminder, we have traffic starting to build away from the 57 to the 605. Another option would be the 60 heading westbound. We also have this crash 710 south before the 91. 2 left lanes are blocked off there. And a reminder about this traffic advisory. It's that hazmat situation impacting the 47 in both directions. And we do want to get out to our KCAL News reporter, Cara Finstrom, who's watching that situation for us live from San Pedro. Cara?
Good morning, Kalina. Hazmat crews monitoring this from a distance. This is actually as close as anyone is allowed to get. I'm going to move out of the way so we can zoom in and give you a look at that truck. It is on its side there. Can't see any flames here, but we do know that thermal images recorded by drones, the last ones they had, showed the batteries were still burning. So this is still a hazardous situation. The freeway and bridge shut down. What you're looking at here, the initial explosion captured by a towing company's drone. The truck is carrying large industrial-grade lithium batteries. Those burn unusually. Firefighters say at times flames up to 20 feet high shot up. Then the fire would go quiet again before flaring up. A big rig rolled over here on the 47 freeway shortly before noon yesterday. That driver was okay, but first responders closed the freeway in both directions from the southbound 710 to Harbor Boulevard, including, again, the Vincent Thomas Bridge here. Now, because firefighters could not guarantee the safe passage of workers to Terminal Island, an LAFD spokesperson tells us most container yards have shut down their operations. Here's what he says is happening right now.
The gas that's being emitted from this fire is hazardous, but it dissipates, and we don't feel that anybody more than 300 feet away is going to be impacted or affected. Putting water on this fire and trying to extinguish it would create a bigger hazmat problem, runoff, and then a bigger cleanup issue. You could pour millions of gallons of water on this fire, and it still might reignite again.
And this is a critical artery for the Port of LA. Look at this, major traffic jams yesterday. That LAFD spokesperson says they are well aware that shutting down Terminal Island is expensive. Commerce for the nation, millions of dollars flow through there, he says, every hour. So he says they are trying to get this reopened as soon as they can. Firefighters have learned lessons, though, from other lithium battery fires, and are taking very careful precautions.
First firefighters that arrived on scene were very heads up and spoke to the driver and asked, what do we got there? What's going on? And that happened early before the chain reaction increased and got worse. So that gave us a time to be able to isolate the incident and keep anybody from driving up or near where the energy was being released.
So they're going to be monitoring it for now. They're letting it burn out. If they can